My dear students, I will teach today coordinate geometry reflection. Okay, I will teach today reflection. See, reflection, this is related to know in physics. All you know reflection. So with the help of physics, we will teach today your reflection unit chapter. After that section formula, then equation of straight line. Okay, I'll teach today. So right, reflection. All of you know the there is definition. Okay, just I am explaining. As I say, I am writing. Suppose, so this is one line L. Suppose this is line. Here, one point is given A. Suppose A is a point. Okay, and its image is there A dashed here. A dashed. So A is a point here. A dash is the image of A, okay, but the line L is given. So here, see, you draw here. So this distance equal to this distance. You consider this is O, and this also here, the line is the perpendicular bisector of 2 points A of the line A. So A and A dashed. If you draw line segment. This is the perpendicular bisector, and the transformation, the line made the transformation made A to A dashed is called reflection. Understood? The transformation maps from A to A dashed is called reflection. Okay, and A dashed is called the point A. This is called image of A. This is image of A. Okay. Now I'll discuss reflection in the x-axis, reflection in the y-axis, reflection in the origin, and the parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis. It is your syllabus. I'll discuss. Okay. And you have to practice at home. The exercise I will discuss in the graph paper with the help of graph paper. Okay, all you know graph, that means suppose the straight line, there are many points are there, at least 3 points is required, and you have to draw the graph in class 9. All of you know. Yes, now I am explaining here. So reflection of a point in the x-axis. Okay, in the x-axis. See, suppose first you draw the axis, x-axis, y-axis. You have to draw x-axis. This is y-axis, x dashed. Here y dashed. Suppose here any point P is given P. Suppose x y. Okay. So a reflection of a point P of x y in the x-axis. See, as all of you know, the point on x-axis x comma 0, the point on y-axis 0 comma y. All of you know. See, here the point is P is given x y. Here just reflection of a point in the x-axis. See, this distance and this is always equal. Here this equal to this. Suppose P dashed. Then look at here. It is no change. This is abscissa, no change. Here coordinate y. Here it will be minus y. The coordinate of P dash x minus y. Okay. So we can write here reflection in the x-axis. Suppose m of x, that is x y equal to x comma minus y. Reflection of a point. Okay, here few books are written Rx. You write Mx anyway, no problem is there. Okay, Mx, or you have to write Rx. Reflection xy equal to x comma minus y. Any you have to write, no problem is there. Okay, Rx of xy equal to x comma minus y. Okay, So or mx xy both are same. So reflection I am writing here similar way. If you write here, suppose reflection of a point in the y-axis. See here. Okay. So suppose here p double dash. So it will be, see here, ordinate no change, only abscissa change. So this value will be, if we write this value, we have minus x y. Okay. Now again suppose this, again you have to suppose x-axis, this point here p double dash. Suppose I will write here that point, so triple dash. So here will be x-axis, x no change, so minus x minus y. Look at it, if we take this transformation, say transformation, see here to this, the line is always, yes, passes through the origin, that is reflection of a point in the origin. So it will be, both are sign change. See here is xy, here is minus x minus y, both are change. You put draw here now. Okay, so reflection first is given along x-axis x minus y, along y-axis minus xy, along origin, so it will be minus x minus y. See, suppose this is the fixed point, here x-axis, y-axis, here origin, here x-axis. Okay, now understood all of you? Any doubt? No. Next. Okay, see, so I am writing here see, I am writing, so Rx xy, that is reflection of a point in the point P, suppose xy here, that is in the x-axis, so it will be, new coordinate will be x minus y. Suppose Ry xy equal to here y, so x change, y no change, R0 xy equal to minus x minus y. So reflection of a point in the x-axis, when x-axis, keep in how to remember, see x-axis x no change, only y change, y-axis y no change, x change, origin both the change. Okay, one minute. All of you know the line, suppose parallel to x-axis, suppose y equal to constant, fixed, that if y equal to constant, that is ordinate no change, ordinate no change. Okay, then if ordinate no change, then the line coordinate to, that is parallel to x-axis, and if abscissa no change, then the line parallel to y-axis. Keep in mind. Okay, I am explaining this part. All of this understood, all of you? Suppose I am writing one thing. Suppose Rx 3 2. What is the value? X, yes, 3 minus 2. Suppose Ry 3 2, that is minus 3 2. R0, that is origin, 3 2. Both the change, minus 3 minus 2. Okay? Yes. Next, if the line after reflection, okay, suppose see two axes is there, x-axis, y-axis, one point is there, suppose P, be x or be any point is given, and the parallel to here, suppose this is x-axis, okay, parallel to x-axis, reflection of point here, and if say from here, so this part P dash, what is the coordinate of this part? Reflection of a point in the line, suppose this is line A dash, the line, which line? Parallel to x axis at the distance, suppose this distance is given, this is a fixed, no change, suppose y equal to a, positive direction, okay, y equal to a, then what is the coordinate of P dash? Okay, this is parallel to x axis given. Now find out the coordinate of P dash. So look at here, this point P dash, you put it here any point, suppose Q. So we can write PQ equal to QP dash, no? Okay, reflection here, understood? Yes. So this is equal, this distance equal to this distance. Okay. Now PQ equal to QP dash. QP dash. Okay. Now see, here this value we know this is x. This is x. So here this is no change, x, and this is y. So we can write this is a. This coordinate, okay. Now here this also no change, a. So this is x, P dash. Suppose this part we consider, suppose this is L. So this is the midpoint, no? Midpoint. So a we can write y plus L divided by 2. Midpoint. Remember, midpoint of a line segment x1 plus x2 by 2. I'll teach later, okay? In section formula is there, just you remember. Suppose 2 points is given. See here, suppose x1 y1 and x2 y2 is given. So midpoint, this part will be x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So remember here a equal to, you can write y plus L by 2. So 2a minus y equal to L. 2a minus y equal to L. Okay. Now so L equal to, the value will get x. L equal to 2a minus y. Okay. So you can write here this coordinate x 2a minus y. See, this is the new coordinate of P dash. The reflection point is given, image of the point P if the line parallel to x axis. Okay. So reflection of a point, keep in mind, reflection I am writing here, reflection of a point. Okay. See, I am writing, all of you remember. See, note it down. Reflection of a point P of xy in the line parallel to x axis at the distance the positive direction of y, that is suppose y equal to a. It may be negative, no problem. Negative direction of a, okay, no problem. Either positive direction or negative direction. Okay, anyway, right. So reflection of a point P of xy in the parallel line, the parallel to x axis. Okay, at that distance y equal to a. See, how to remember? Look at here one thing. When parallel to x axis, we know x no change. This point, original point, suppose this xy, x no change. So new coordinate, see, x and y no, minus y. So write minus y. And before that you add twice a. minus y plus twice a, or twice a minus y, any of the right. Similar way, reflection of a point, right, reflection of a point P of xy in the line parallel to y, sorry, write here line, not written, okay, line parallel to y axis at a distance x equal to a. So y axis, y no change, keep in mind, y no change, okay, y no change. So write y no change. So x will be changed, that is 2a minus x. So write p dash 2a minus x comma y, keep in mind, okay. So new coordinate, so 2a minus x y. So how to remember? When x axis change parallel to x axis, that is x no change, that is x comma 2a minus y, and for y axis, that is parallel to y axis, so it will be y no change, that is 2a minus x comma y. Only these things are there. Hey, one thing, after reflection, if the coordinate will be no change, so this point is called invariant point. Suppose I am writing, all of you know, they just I'm discussing point on x axis x comma 0, point on y axis 0 comma y, okay. See, I am showing here. Suppose x axis x dashed, y dashed, point is given. Suppose here is given, one point is given, so this will be 0 3 0 3, okay. Now suppose this point, suppose r, so r 0 3 point is given, okay. Reflection of a point in the y axis, see, no change. If y axis change 0 y, so we can write same, no, r 0 3 y, that is y no change, x will be changed, so minus 0, so minus 0 means always 0 though. So this will be no change. So this point is called invariant point, invariant points, okay. After reflection, the point will no change, okay, the point will no change. So this point is called invariant point, okay. This point is called invariant point, okay. Now I will do exercise, and you will see every year one question will get from here. Reflection, keep in mind, one question for ICC exam, you will get one question for ICC exam, okay. Now I am showing one sum, look at here, I am saying see, suppose various type of figure point is given, and you will get one figure, suppose pentagon, hexagon, or right angle triangle, kite, this type of figure you will get. Wait, here whatever I am discussing here, no, everything is given in the book, just you have to see the book, no problem is there. Suppose here is given, say, find the coordinates of the image P, point is given, P minus 1 3, the point is given, okay, and in the line x equal to suppose 3, this line is given, reflection is given, okay. See, when x equal to 3 is given, so all of you know this line x equal to 3 parallel to y axis. Okay, x equal to 3 means this is the fixed parallel to y axis. So y no change, x will be changed. So new coordinate will be, if we take p dash, we know 2a minus x y. Okay, so you write p dash 2, this is a is 3, that is 2 into 3 minus x is minus 1, it will plus 1, y is 3, so it will be p dash 7 3. This is the new coordinate. Okay, this is the new coordinate 7, 3. Okay, so various type of exercise given, all of you practice at home. Suppose use the graph paper. PQ have the coordinate 0, 5 and minus 2, 4 is given. P is invariant when reflected in the x-axis. Name the axis. Invariant, no change. Okay. So I am writing here. Look at here. Wait. See. One point. See. So a point P is reflected in the x-axis is given. Suppose see here x-axis x dash y dash is given. One point is given P. The point P is given, that is coordinates of its image at 8 minus 6. Find the coordinates of point P. Suppose the point P is reflected, okay, in the x-axis. In the x-axis, only answer. Wait. In the x-axis first. Suppose the point P is given here xy. Okay. One side. X-axis. So point, if x-axis reflection is there, see, this is no change here, x no change, x-axis. So p dash x minus y, and this is given. Here is given 8 minus 6. So you can write here, if you compare here the value of P, that is x equal to 8 and y equal to 6. Okay? Yes. Y equal to 6. The coordinate of P will be 8, 6. Understood? 8, 6. And the coordinates of the image of P under the reflection of y axis. If the point is y axis, so here this one y axis. So this coordinate will be y axis minus 8, 6. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, no problem. So you will get new coordinate. Suppose p double dash. Okay, and you will do at home. I will give the study material, whatever I discussed today, and you have to practice at home. Exercise you have to practice. Okay? Okay, bye. No more today.